aside the present petition for review under Rule 45 of the Rule of Court is in 21, 2004. Decision 1 in September 14, 2004. Resolution 2 of the Court Appeals. The back of the case are follows. Kasi Iligan Jr., Constantino Code Jr. private respondents for among 21 Filipino seamen hired by hearing petitioner NFD International Money Agents Incorporated NFD to work on board the chemical tanker MT Lady Helen, a vessel owned and operated by petitioner AS Vulcanus, also Vulcanus, NFD's foreign principal. On February 11, 1997, while MC Lady Helen was at Island Viewport, Durban, South Africa, Shipmaster Captain Senior Andersen dismissed the 21 Filipino seamen, including her private respondents, from their employment. They were subsequently repatriated, arriving in the Philippines on February 15, 1997. On March 3, 1997, NFD filed before the Education Office, the Philippines Overseas Employment Administration or POEA, a disciplinary complaint against the 21 seamen alleging that they were guilty of mutiny, insubordination, desertion, attempting to desert the vessel, and conspiracy. Subsequently, in an order dated October 12, 1999, the POEA Adjudication Office dismissed the disciplinary complaint filed NFD, ordering the names of the 21 seamen be removed from POEA patches. Meanwhile, on May 6, 1997, private respondents together with 8 complainants of the 21 seamen who employed were terminated by with the National Labor Relations Commission or NLRC, National Capital Region, Quezon City, complainant for wrongful breach of contract, illegal dismissal, and damages against NFD and Vulcans, contending that they were summarily dismissed from their employment with a just and a valid cause in gross violation of terms of their employment contracts. They were forcibly disembarked from vessel at the time their discharge, and upon to the pleading of their complaint, they had not been paid their accrued salaries, guaranteed overpay, and leave pay. For their summary dismissal, forcible disembarkation, the subsequent retortion, the recovery of their unpaid wages, and the other benefit will as a moral, disciplinary damages, and attorney's fees.